We'll guide you through how to fix "we can't find your camera" and fix this error code here in Windows 11 or 10. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem is really annoying because you're then unable to go and use it. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and fix this. Make sure it's this full guide and don't go and skip anything. Otherwise, you may go and miss the fix that is going to go and be for you. So without any other further ado, let's go and get started and get fixing this. And hopefully by the end, it's going to be able to go and find your camera and you'll be able to use it. So let's close out of the camera app for now. Now, what you need to do is press search at the bottom and you need to go and type in settings like so, and then you can go and click on settings. So what we then need to do is come to the left into privacy and security. You want to go and scroll down in app permissions and find camera. Make sure camera access is switched on at the top, and where it says let apps access your camera, make sure that's switched on and make sure it's switched on for camera as well. Go and see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, the next thing we need to do is it can be a problem potentially with the camera app. So what you can do is go and press search at the bottom, type in camera. Then what you can do is you can go down and find the option for app settings. Make sure you've got it selected, and then you can come to the right and you can find the option for app settings and go and click on it down the list. Wait for it to load. Now what you can do is you can come and scroll down here and we're going to go and press terminate. Then what we can do is go and press repair. Wait for this to go and complete. And just while we're here, we're also going to do a reset as well. So we'll press reset below repair, confirm the decision and wait for it to complete. Shouldn't go and take too long. Now that that's completed, what we can do is we can go and open up camera and go and see if it's working. You can see that it still isn't. If it still isn't, don't worry, we still got some more fixes you can try. So you want to come to the bottom and press search, go and type in device manager and open that up. Now, what you need to do is you need to come down the list and find cameras and expand it. If you can see your camera here, but it's not working, that's fine. If you can't see it at all here, what you can try doing is press action at the top left, and you can go and press scan for hardware changes. If it isn't appearing here, what you can do is press action in the top left, and you can go and press scan for hardware changes, go and see if it then appears. Hopefully it does. Now you can see here mine is appearing. So what we need to do is go and right click on it. If you go and see the option for enable device, you can try clicking that there. Then what you can do is you can try opening up the camera app and hopefully that's then working. So we could go and press search at the bottom, go and type in camera like so. We'll need to go and just give permission here. So I'll go and press yes, and press yes. And as you can see, that is now working. Now, if yours still isn't, don't worry. What you want to try doing is right clicking on the camera and press update driver. Press browse my computer for drivers and press let me pick from a list. And what you want to do is go and find the most up-to-date version here. Select it and you want to go and press next. It'll then go and be installed. Then what you can try doing is you can go and type in camera, open it up and see if it will work. Hopefully it will. If it still doesn't, then what you need to do is you want to go and right click on it and you want to go and press uninstall device. You can leave this unchecked and press uninstall. And then what you want to do is you want to go and restart your system. So press the Windows Start button, press the power button to the right and press restart. And it should then go and reload and reinstall the drivers, solving the problem. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.